Hey there! Are you looking to use AirDrop over cellular data? Well, you are in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to enable AirDrop for cellular use on your iPhone. Step 1. Setting AirDrop on cellular. First, go ahead and open the Settings app. Next, tap on General. Then, select AirDrop. Now, toggle on the option for Use Cellular Data. Step 2. Setting AirDrop on cellular. After that, open the Control Center by swiping down from the upper right corner of your screen, or swiping up from the bottom if your iPhone has a home button. Then, press and hold the Wi-Fi icon to access additional options. Next, tap on AirDrop and choose either. Contacts only if you only want to receive files from people saved in your contacts. Everyone if you're okay with receiving files from any nearby Apple devices. And there you have it. That's all it takes to enable AirDrop for sharing over cellular. If this guide was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and keep an eye out for our next video.